And number 5, you want to check your website on different devices. Well, as you know, in the mobile platform, you can come and check your website on mobile, tablet, and on desktop. Now, the preview settings here, what we're doing is taking the smallest size, the smallest breakpoint for each of those devices. So you can be sure you're looking at the smallest one. Now, if you watched, which I hope you have, watched day 3, episode 1, where I took you through the essentials class, then you'll know how to structure a website page so you don't run into any issues on mobile from the get-go. And that's because our bots are going to come in and make sure all your padding and alignment is working just fine. So, but still, make sure you have looked at your pages on mobile, tablet, and desktop. And do remember that if your pages are particularly long and there is some information that you don't really want to display on mobile, then you can come into any layout, any frame, and then go to the Advanced tab and say, you know what, I just want to show this particular layout on desktop only. And you can do that right down to this frame here. So I could say, you know what, don't show this card on mobile, show it on desktop only. Now, that's my advice to most users. Just make sure you use our preview tools in here, because we are previewing there on the smallest size for that particular device. But you can also go a step further. I'll just flip into another tab. Now looking at this on the front end, and I could go to inspect element here in Chrome, or on Safari as well. But I could click the mobile tab, and you can see I can change my screen size here to different dimensions and across different devices as well. So I'm here on a Mac, but I could go and look at this on a Surface and a Samsung Galaxy and so on and so forth. So there's top tip there if you do want to have a look at other devices and other browsers without having to go and buy a million phones.